Guys, France football completely changed the Ballon d'Or rules. If these rules had existed in Ronaldo's prime, bro would have won 10 ballons. Normally, to win the Ballon d'Or, you had to either win the UCL that season, or if it was a World Cup year, win the World Cup or win the Euros. Otherwise, no matter how many goals you scored in your team's most important matches, it didn't really matter. But France football completely flipped that. Everyone expected Harry Kane, Mbappe, or Lamine Yamal to win this season just because they scored more goals. But farming goals against weak teams doesn't matter anymore, because the key to winning the Ballon d'Or is performing in big matches.